Kaushik Ganguly, Srijit Roy, my lord, their works have been stopped in February.
And who has given you this authority to come up with this code?
No, that
What authority do you have? You are a private entity, absolutely private entity. You do not have any right to impose any condition upon any of the members.
This was, my lord, in 2012, my lord.
Whoever, to 2012, you had extra powers?
No, my lord.
Then, yes.
My lord,
What is
in this FCTWEI, my lord, they affiliates other trade unions. My lord, there are 20 odd trade unions. My lord, unless a particular trade union is affiliated with these, my lord, federations, my lord, nobody can work. My lord, what happened after we agitated, we my lord, protested against the actions, my lord, we were affiliated with these my lord, federations. But now they have not continued the affiliations. My lord, it has several consequences. Now, any member of my lord, this Director Association of Eastern India, my lord, he will not be able to work because the other my lord, technicians who are also my lord, guild members and affiliated with the federation, they will not act. Because I will be outside the federations. Well, that is the problem they are creating. Now, another aspect, there is a film directorate of the government of West Bengal, right, which controls everything virtually. Even they provide medical insurance to the members of a particular trade union and through these federations. Now, all these DAE members who were somehow not affluent, they were being provided with the medical insurance. But after this, now they have stopped because the respondent number 5 is not forwarding their names since their affiliation has not been continued. I have pleaded. Kindly take the pleadings from paragraph 25 onwards.
1 minute. You mentioned about a film directorate. Is the film directorate?
No, film directorate is not a party, my lord. I have got it, my lord. I have just searched it, my lord. I can hand over this copy, my lord.
Is it a government body?
Government body. Created by the government.
Created by the government.
Government. And it is headed by, my lord, one WBCS officer. It provides, kindly take paragraph 5. This is medical insurance. There are other functions also.
Why don't you implement the directorate as party so that necessary?
I should have. I'll kindly grant me leave. Only thing, kindly see my pleadings, from paragraph 25, because I need, just extra bit of directions, paragraph 25.
Yes.
Since last few years, the respondent number 1, that is the state government, has been providing health insurance policy to the members of DAE along with the members of other trade unions engaged in the film and television industry. The practice corresponds to such health insurance policy being afforded by the respondent number 1 by virtue of the submission of credential and particulars of the members of DAE through respondent number 5. The respondent number 5 has now refused to forward the names of the members of DAEI to the office of the respondent number 1 for the issuance of the health insurance policy to the members of DAEI. This act of reprisal is both unjust and detrimental to the well-being of the members of DAEI who rely on these benefits for essential security. Despite being...
1 minute. Let me understand. Respondent number 1 is giving the benefit through the respondent number 5.
Yes,
only if the respondent number 5 is forwards the name, then only you get the benefit. Otherwise, you won't.
These are the health cards.
Can you not approach respondent number 1 directly? You cannot approach the respondent number 1 directly.
Unless these names are forwarded by the respondent number 1, that respondent number 5, the government will not give this medical insurance. In fact, our affiliations has not been extended by the these federations because we filed these writ petitions and also made protest. Our affiliations has not been extended. Now, entire thing is controlled by these federations. It's a syndicate. Kindly see the health insurance which were issued to my members. Paragraph page 160.
Where is this recorded that it has to go through the respondent number 5? You cannot do this independently.
This is the system.
Well,
that I pleaded. Kindly take
Nothing
this.
is there, my lord, on record.
I'll permit you to directly go before the authority.
Yes, them directly go before the authority.
The authority
there is
will
no
consider.
such, nothing is annexed to the writ petition also in regard to this. Respondent number 5.
Very well. He says it is no.
Yes, kindly record.
I'll record.
Yes, that will do. My lord, that will do, my lord.
What else?
Another thing is, my lord, kindly take prayer K. Your lordship already given the protections, but in the light of prayer K. Same, your lordship had.
What is this unique card?
Unique card is, my lord, this unique card is also issued by the federations, my lord, because there are 20 affiliate, my lord, trade unions. There are cine workers, artists, the stage workers.
Whatever.
So now, this if there is no unique card issued, my lord, nobody will work. Nobody will be able to work with anybody unless there is an unique card issued by federation.
Who has given the federation this power to issue this
They
unique
have
card?
assumed this jurisdiction. They have, this is the code of conduct, my lord, they have issued. Kindly take code of conduct I have annexed. This is the code of conduct. They have kindly take page 46, my lord. Clause 2, right hand side, my lord, page 46, clause 2. Right hand side, my lord. One is also the other conditions. My lord, without following this, nobody can work. Kindly 2. Technician workers must carry the membership card to be issued by the affiliate trade union of FCTWEI. Quantum per new members, future membership, all new members shall be determined beginning every year by JCC, FCTWEI and EIMP. So this is unique card. They must carry it, otherwise they will not be, not only they will not be provided any work, if I wish as the director, they cannot work for me, then I will be suspended. And this has happened, my lord. I have given the instances, my lord, just the Kaushik Ganguly, Srijit Roy, my lord, their works have been stopped in February, in March. I have given the, my lord, I have pleaded also.
Yes, what else?
This code of conduct,
and the other portions of the order that
will
passed in.
This code of conduct was effective for only 3 years.
No,
kindly takes up page 67 of the writ petition.
This
page
continues.
67.
No, page 46, it is very
46
clear.
starts, the code of conduct starts from page 46.
You say it is not valid now?
No,
I'll record it.
Page 67.
I'll record it in the order.
Page 67, kindly.
I will record in the order.
Page 67, it is.
That this is not effective and you cannot press this upon the.
Because, my lord.
No, because you say yes or no.
Page 67. Because in page 67, paragraph number 20, it is clearly stated that the said code of conduct will be applicable for 3 years. It is to be noted that the clause and subclause of the code can be changed as per the need. Page 67 kindly takes up.
Kindly take 21. This is the parent
what
code
my
of
learned senior friend is referring, that was effective for 3 years.
Now it is no longer valid.
That I can file an affidavit.
No, you say.
No, because, my lord, as per the record of the writ petition, my lord, my respectful submission.
Why?
Because I have to, then your lordship kindly gives us an opportunity to file an affidavit. I will.
That is separate. But as of now, are you implementing this?
This code was valid for only 3 years.
All right.
3 years. That is that your lordship can record.
He is referring, these are the additional obligations imposed by the subsequent code.
Code was effective for 3 years, my lord.
Please come. And who has given you this authority to come up with this code?
No, that
what authority do you have?
That was in 2015, my lord. That
why? Who gave you the authority?
In regard to that time, what happened in 2015, that I would be candid before your lordship. I do not have that instruction. That I have to bring the instruction in 2015, my lord. Because this code of conduct was effective since 2012 to 2015, my lord. Not presently, there is no code of conduct, my lord.
Yes, you are a private entity.
That
absolutely private entity. You do not have any right to impose any condition upon any of the members.
This was, my lord, in 2012, my lord.
Whoever, 2012, you had extra powers?
No, my lord,
then?
that is true. But today it is not in effect.
Today it has been brought to the light of the court.
Today it is not in effect, my lord. 2012 to 15 it was there.
Please take down. Item number 2, some order has been passed. Data thagbe. In addition to that, the petitioner, how many? There is one.
One. Each of
all right. The petitioner has annexed. A document described as, within single quotes, code of conduct of the technicians and workers of Eastern India, agreed and adopted at the joint meeting of the Eastern India Motion Picture Association and Federation of Cine Technicians and Workers of Eastern India. Stop. In the said code of conduct, it has been mentioned that the technicians/workers must carry the membership card to be issued by the affiliated craft union of FCTWEI. Stop. The quantum of percentage for new membership, that is future membership, will be taken and determined in the beginning of every year. Stop. The document mentions that the same is effective only from 1st May 2012 to 30th April 2015. Stop. Paragraph. Learned advocate for the petitioner submits that the state is providing health insurance policy to the members of the, what is DAEI?
All persons followed, including the members of Directors Association of India, Eastern India.
Members of the Directors Association of Eastern India.
But we have annexed certain.
Along with members of other trade unions engaged in the film and television industry in West Bengal. The health insurance benefit is provided only after the credentials of the particular members are routed through the respondent number 5, that is the Federation of Cine Technicians and Workers of Eastern India, to the respondent number 1. Stop. The respondent number 1 does not accept any request from the members directly. Stop. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the respondent number 5 submits that the said code of conduct was valid only for a particular period of time. Stop. The same is not being made applicable at present. Stop. It has also been submitted that the respondent number 5 is not interfering with the functioning of the petitioner. Stop. Paragraph. Learned advocate for the petitioner submits that there is a directorate of,
the film directorate.
there is a film directorate.
Respondent number 4 is the concerned person. You also will find it.
Headed by the additional secretary.
Yes.
Headed. Film directorate. Headed by the additional secretary and the executive officer, director of films, being the respondent number 4. Stop. Paragraph. And then the rest portion of order to item number 2 will follow.
But only in that item, there is a can for under that.
Can will not be here.
So mentality may be kept open.
We orderটা তুলে নেবেন.
আগের অর্ডারটা যা আছে ঠিক আছে.
Same order will be there in
You
item
have
number
permitted
6.
the respondent number 1 to issue health insurance directly.
আচ্ছা আমি বলে দিচ্ছি.
That
The as the respondent number 5 is a private entity and the petitioner alleges that the respondent number 5 is standing in the way of the petitioner in performing his activities and is infringing upon the fundamental right. Accordingly, the court permits the petitioner to approach the state respondents directly without routing the application through the respondent number 5.
Great.
In the event any such application is made by the petitioner, comma, the same shall be considered by the state respondents without directing the petitioner to approach the private respondent number 5. Anything else?
Mm. Yes, my lord. Only unique card. They are saying that the code is that still it
Code is not.
my lord, that is. My lord,
একটা জিনিস লিখে দিন তো, the
still
petitioner
my lord, is being forced upon.
submits that the respondent number 5 is insisting upon the petitioner to obtain the unique card.
No, my lord, it is the case that this unique card to be obtained by all workers, everybody.
Hmm.
My lord, if my lord, these members of DAE do not get, my lord, other will not work for him. So that should be, since they are saying this
আচ্ছা,
code
তাহলে
of
একটা জিনিস,
conduct is not sufficient, my lord, that should be abolished.
হ্যাঁ, একটা জিনিস বলুন, it has been submitted, it has been alleged that the respondent number 5 is insisting upon the unique card for effective functioning of the petitioner stuff, as the respondent number 5 has mentioned that the code of conduct was only for a particular period. Accordingly, the respondent number 5, accordingly, non-production of the unique card will not affect any of the rights of the petitioner to perform his duties and functions as director.